This is a dragon fruit, also called a pitaya, and it's stunning to look at with its bright pink skin and its speckled flesh on the inside. But what if I told you that this wonderful fruit could become the star ingredient in a face wash that transforms from a cleansing powder into a foam before your very eyes? We're going to turn this into this. This powder looks fairly ordinary, doesn't it? Just a blend of clays and botanicals. But watch what happens when we add a splash of water. How incredible is that transformation? From bland beige powder to vibrant pink foam in seconds. That's the magic of dragon fruit powder at work. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to create this show-stopping cleanser at home. This isn't just about creating something pretty for social media, though let's face it, it absolutely is that too. But this powder to foam cleanser is gentle enough for daily use. It removes buildup of dirt and grime throughout the day, is packed with skin-loving botanicals and requires no preservative because there's no water in the dry formula. And you can make this at home too if you want. You don't need a chemistry degree to make professional quality skincare. That's a myth perpetrated by the mainstream beauty industry to keep you buying their products. You just need some simple mixing, beautiful ingredients, and the confidence to create something that would sell for maybe $30 or more in a beauty store. I'm Lorraine, CEO of Formula Botanica, the world's leading online organic cosmetic formulation school, and I'm about to show you why powder cleansers are having such a moment. For this formulation, we're keeping the equipment super simple, though we do need to be a bit more careful because we're working with powders. You'll need a digital scale for accurate measuring, a large mixing bowl, make sure it's bigger than you think you need because powders can be quite voluminous and you need room to mix properly. You'll also need a whisk or a large spoon for combining everything evenly. And here's the important bit. You'll want a face mask or covering for your nose and mouth. Some of these powders, especially the surfactants, can be irritating if you inhale them. Gloves are essential too, and make sure you wear an apron. Now, a coffee grinder can also be handy if you need to make any ingredients any finer, and you'll want some containers for storage because powder formulations need to stay completely dry. The key with powder formulations is keeping everything dry and working in a clean environment. So tie your hair back, wash your hands, wipe down your surfaces, and let's create something beautiful together. Right, let's create 50 grams of this transformative cleanser together. I've pre-weighed everything to make this much easier to follow, but you'll see exactly how we built this formula step by step. We're starting with our clays. Firstly, use 10 grams of bentonite clay. This gorgeous grey-green powder is made from volcanic ash that's been aged by time. It's incredibly absorbent and it helps cleanse the skin by drawing out impurities. Notice how fine and silky it feels. Next, we're adding 10 grams of coconut milk powder. This isn't just for decoration. Coconut milk powder is packed with nourishing fats and vitamins that help keep your skin soft and hydrated while you're cleansing. It also balances out the more intensive cleansing action of our other ingredients, and it smells beautifully of coconut. Now comes our surfactant, 9 grams of sodium cocoa isethionate powder. Don't be put off by that long name. It's simply a gentle coconut-derived ingredient that creates that lovely foaming action when you add water. This is what transforms our powder into a cleanser rather than just a face mask. Now do be quite careful when measuring this because it can be quite irritating if you inhale it, which is why we've got our masks on. Time for the botanicals that make this formulation truly special. We're firstly adding 7.5 grams of rose petal powder, which is our first colourful ingredient. I just wish you could smell that gorgeous soft floral aroma. It has such a beautiful dusky rose colour too. Rose petals have been used in skincare for centuries because they're rich in antioxidants, plus they add that beautiful natural fragrance. And here's our star ingredient, the dragon fruit. So rather than using the fresh fruit straight from the supermarket shelves, we've got 7.5 grams of dragon fruit powder here, otherwise known as pitaya powder. Look at this vibrant pink colour. Now, dragon fruit contains what's called the ACE trio of vitamins, so vitamins A, C and E, all known for supporting healthy, glowing skin. And this is what's going to give us that incredible colour transformation when we add water. Next, we're adding 3.5 grams of rice powder. So this creamy off-white powder gives our cleanser a lovely velvety feel and helps absorb excess oils while temporarily minimizing the appearance of pores and fine lines. And finally, we'll add 2.5 grams of colloidal oatmeal. This is oat that's been ground so finely that it feels like silk. It's beautiful to work with. And it contains natural compounds that help support your skin's moisture barrier, plus gentle exfoliating properties that smooth your skin without scratching. Now we're going to mix everything together thoroughly, so take your time here. You want to make sure that all the powders are evenly distributed so you get consistent results every time you use it. Look how all these individual ingredients come together into this beautifully complex blend. Each powder contributes something different: cleansing, nourishing, colour, texture and scent. Now, if your mixture feels a bit coarse, you can run small amounts through a coffee grinder to make it finer, but be careful not to over-process the more delicate botanical powders. When your formulation is finished, it's time to gently pour the powder into a container, like this lovely jar, and then label it. Your powder to foam cleanser is now ready to use. Shall we try it out together? To use it, simply scoop about half a teaspoon into your palm or a small bowl, add a splash of water and mix it into a paste. Then gently massage it onto damp skin, enjoying that lovely light foam and the natural exfoliation from the powders. Rinse with warm water and then pat your face dry. And just look at what happens when we add water. See how it transforms from this muted earthy blend into this vibrant pink foam. That's our dragon fruit powder coming alive and the surfactant creating that lovely gentle lather. This is such a fun organic skincare formulation and you could make it too. We've just created a cleanser that's both effective and utterly Instagram worthy. Now this is gentle enough for daily use and suitable for most skin types. The coconut milk and the oat make it particularly lovely for dry or sensitive skin, while the clays help with oilier areas. Store your powders in a container in a cool, dry place. Moisture is the enemy of powder formulations. And made properly, this will keep for months without any preservatives needed. Remember, you can customize this endlessly. Swap dragon fruit for strawberry powder or try different clays. Add powdered chamomile for sensitive skin, for instance. The possibilities are endless once you understand the basic structure of what you're formulating. Now, what I love about this formulation is how it shows that natural skincare can be both effective and wonderfully dramatic. That colour transformation never gets old, and knowing you created it yourself makes it even more special. So you can find the full blog post, the exact names of the ingredients that we used today and their percentages, our supplier recommendations, and a free downloadable PDF with the recipe, all linked below. And if you're ready to explore more fun, exciting formulations like this, come and join our free formulation course. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which formulation you'd like us to make next. We read all your comments and want to hear from you. Now remember, everyone can formulate, and we all begin with just one formulation. And then once you see how easy it is, you'll realize how easy it can be to make even more. So today you've seen that spectacular results can come from understanding simple ingredient combinations. So until next time, happy formulating.